Hello everyone and welcome to the Veracity. For today's video, nais kong ituro sa inyo kung paano makipag-transaction sa Gcash or mag-cash in sa Gcash gamit si Cliqq application. Now, I came up to this idea kasi yung Cliqq machine sa 7-Eleven sa aming area ay hindi siya gumagana. So, they asked me if I have a barcode na hindi ko naman sadyang ginagamit. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, I want to share this video. But anyway, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, may I request kung pwede ay mag-subscribe ka, i-click ang notification bell so that maging updated ka sa mga susunod na mga video upload. It is my plan to share my earnings sa pamamagitan ng pamimigay ng giveaway. So, I hope you will be with me on that journey ng success natin dito sa YouTube channel. So, let's go to our tutorial. I-open lang natin si Cliqq application. And kapag na-open mo na si Cliqq application ay sa kasalukuyan, meron siyang pop-up window na everyday happy. So, in the midst of our ECQ, in the midst of our crisis for this time is let's take time para tayo ay maging masaya. And then afterwards, kapag nawala na yung kanyang welcome message, is i-click lang natin si add e-money. And if you're going to transact gamit si Gcash, just click Gcash and then Gcash cash in on this window. Okay, so on this part is ilagay mo lang yung cellphone number mo na naka-register gamit si Gcash and make it sure na yan ay tama kasi non-refundable ang transaction gamit si 7-Eleven cash in sa Gcash. So make sure na tama yung cellphone number mo, and then kung okay ka na dito sa iyong cellphone number, next part na i-input natin is kung magkano yung amount na ilalagay mo. And if you're okay with all those, you are certain, so click mo yung confirm and then creating transaction, and then maglalabas siya ng ganitong barcode. At ang kagandahan dito is walang service fee yung transaction gamit si Cliqq app katulad ni Cliqq machine. So mas okay kay Cliqq machine kasi nakaka-earn ka ng points. So kapag meron ka ng barcode na katulad nito, ang gagawin lang natin is pupunta lang tayo doon sa cashier at ibibigay lang natin sa kanya itong barcode na ito gamit ang ating smartphone at i-scan niya gamit si barcode scanner, and then ibigay mo yung amount na ika-cash in mo, and then you are ready to go. And afterwards, kapag ikaw ay nakapag-scan na, bibigyan kanila ng resibo na katulad ng nasa image na ito. So guys, this is the simple tutorial kung paano mag-cash in gamit si Cliqq app, and it is also available kay PayMaya. And I know si PayMaya, whenever you have transaction gamit si 7-Eleven is meron siyang service fee. So thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, comment and like this video para everybody happy. So thank you very much and God bless you.